Introducing Huawei's most futuristic laptop yet, the all-new MateBook Fold Ultimate Design. It's not just a laptop, it's a foldable powerhouse with both an 18-inch and a 13-inch display. Let that sink in for a second. This brand new foldable PC from Huawei marks the company's bold entry into the foldable computing segment, a space where Lenovo was once the only serious contender. But now, Huawei is stepping in with style, power, and a whole lot of innovation. So, what exactly makes this machine special? For starters, it's one of the earliest Huawei laptops to run on HarmonyOS 5, the company's in-house operating system. That means tighter integration across Huawei's ecosystem: phones, tablets, wearables, and now foldable PCs. Now let's talk design. The MateBook Fold weighs just 1.16 kilograms, making it lighter than many traditional laptops. When unfolded, it measures a sleek 7.3 millimeters thin. Fold it, and you're still looking at a compact 14.9 millimeters, not much thicker than a flagship smartphone. At the heart of this device is its gorgeous 18.5-inch tandem OLED LTPO display that folds down into a practical 13-inch size. That screen packs a 3.3K resolution, that's 3296 by 2472 pixels, a stunning 92% screen-to-body ratio, and peak brightness of up to 1600 nits. So whether you're working under bright lights or watching a movie in the dark, it's going to look fantastic. You're also getting 1440 Hz PWM dimming for reduced eye strain and a contrast ratio of 2,000,000:1. In simple terms, it's sharp, vibrant, and just plain beautiful. But a foldable screen is only as good as its hinge, right? Huawei knows that too. That's why the MateBook Fold uses a custom water drop hinge built specifically for foldable devices. This design allows the screen to maintain flexible angles anywhere between 30 and 150 degrees. Plus, an integrated kickstand on the back means you can use it in landscape mode without needing any extra accessories. No balancing acts, no clunky setups. It just works. Under the hood, the MateBook Fold packs 32 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, 32 gigabytes, with options for either 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes of SSD storage. That's a dream combo for multitaskers, content creators, or anyone who just wants raw performance. Huawei hasn't officially confirmed the processor, but it's widely believed to be a Kirin chip, in line with other recent Huawei devices. Connectivity. You're covered. The device includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, 2 USB-C ports, and even a fingerprint scanner built into the power button. There's also an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for video calls, along with 6 speakers and 4 microphones for an immersive multimedia experience, and don't worry about battery life either. The MateBook Fold features a solid 74.69 watt-hour battery. While Huawei hasn't shared exact usage time, devices in this category usually last between 8 and 12 hours on moderate use, which is more than enough for a full workday. As for the keyboard, Huawei gives you both options. You can use the virtual keyboard on the screen, or attach the included physical keyboard, which connects wirelessly. It's ultra slim at just 5mm, offers 1.5mm key travel, and even includes a built-in touchpad. And get this, the keyboard only weighs 290 grams and lasts up to 24 days on a single charge. Not bad for something that looks like it belongs to the future. And if you like accessories, Huawei's got you covered there too. Inside the box, you'll find a 140-watt charger, a high-quality braided USB-C cable, a screen cleaning cloth, a large carrying bag, and a smaller pouch for the accessories. It's a premium unboxing experience that really completes the package. Color options? You can grab the MateBook Fold in black, blue, or white, all of which look stunning in person. Now let's talk about pricing. The 1 TB version is priced at 23,999 Chinese yuan, roughly $3,300 when converted. If you want the 2 TB model, it's going to cost around $3,700. That's definitely a premium price, even higher than Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Fold 16, which launched at $2,899. But considering the hardware, the design, and the included accessories, Huawei seems to be aiming for the luxury foldable market. The MateBook Fold officially launches on June 6th, but you don't have to wait until then. Pre-orders are already live. So if you're someone who's been waiting for a true foldable computing experience, one that's sleek, powerful, and designed to turn heads, the Huawei MateBook Fold Ultimate Design might just be the future of laptops. Let us know in the comments what you think of this futuristic foldable laptop. Would you spend over $3,000 for it? Or are you sticking to a traditional clamshell for now? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.